going today for the Balakumari street. So usually on these 4 days like Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, we get a hectic day, and after that in the Saturday and Sunday we go for a trip. So today's trip there is to Balakumari. All Unit 1 people, all the postgraduates and interns were going for the Balakumari. So let's see how the trip is going to be. We all are here, gathered here in front of this MKC Medical College. I am showing you the gate. Oh, that is the gate. And you can see, Gano. What is your view about this trip?
I'm very much excited about this trip.
Let's enjoy the trip. Vlog ଛାଡ଼ନ୍ତୁ ଚାଲନ୍ତୁ ଯିବା. Happy journey.
Pritesh, କିଛି କହିବ କି?
ନାଇଁ ଯିବା ତ.
ବର୍ଷା ତମେ କ'ଣ କହିବ?
ଜଲ୍ଦି ଯାଇ ଯିବା.
ଅଚ୍ଛା ତମେ କ'ଣ କହିବ କୁହ?
Very excited.
କୁହ.
When you plan for the trip to Balakumari, the scenery beside the road, it's really fabulous. So this is our destination where we'll be going, that hilltop, you can see that is the Balakumari.
Hello everyone, we have reached the ground part of this Balakumari and we are waiting for our colleagues. So they have just now they have come here, you can see. All our colleagues, they were like somewhat lagging behind us in the journey trip. So we all have gathered here. This is the photo place area of this Balakumari. And this is where the rice farming taking place. You can come little closer. Where are you going? Come here. This is the place where you can see all the rice farming is taking place. And that top hill, the top place, that is the Balakumari. We will be going to that destination. That is our destination in like 5 minutes to leaving the place. And we have gathered here. I will show all of them. And this is the Pritesh. And Gyana, tell something.
Avinash bhai is very excited.
And you tell something.
Hi guys.
Gyana, tell something. Avinash, mask kadi kisi ruko. Mask kadi no. Mask kadi ko.
हाँ भाई कौन एंजॉय करिए आवाज हो.
Koyo. Kiti hela kisi no. Taru kisi koyo.
ନା ଭାଇ ଆପଣ ତ ଏନ୍ଜୟ କରୁଛନ୍ତି ଆପଣ ଆମଠୁ ଅଧିକ ଏକ୍ସାଇଟେଡ୍ ଅଛନ୍ତି.
ବର୍ଷା ତମେ କ'ଣ କହିବ ତମ opinion ଆଉ ଟ୍ରିପ୍ ବିଷୟରେ?
ବହୁତ ଏକ୍ସାଇଟେଡ୍ ଯିବା ଉପରକୁ ଯିବା.
ବର୍ଷା କହିବା ଆମେ ଉପରକୁ ଯାଉଛି. ପ୍ରୀତିଶ କ'ଣ କହିବ ତମେ କୁହ ଟ୍ରିପ୍ ବିଷୟରେ? ପ୍ରୀତିଶ କହୁନ ଗୋଟେ କ'ଣ? ପ୍ରୀତିଶ ଲାଜ କରି ପଳେଇଛନ୍ତି. ଏବଂ ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ଆସିବା ଦି ଐଶ୍ୱର୍ଯ୍ୟା ବହୁ ଐଶ୍ୱର୍ଯ୍ୟା ତମେ କ'ଣ ଟ୍ରିପ୍ ବିଷୟରେ କ'ଣ କହିବ କୁହ? କିଛି ନାହିଁ.
ବହୁତ ଖୁସି ଥ୍ୟାଙ୍କ ୟୁ.
ଆଉ ବାଳକୁମାରୀଟା କେମିତି ଦେଖା ଭଲ ଜାଗା ନା କ'ଣ କେମିତି ଜାଗା ଓପିନିଅନ୍ଟା କ'ଣ?
ଭଲ ଜାଗା.
ଆଗରୁ କେତେଥର ଆସିଛ ତମେ ବାଳକୁମାରୀ?
2 ଥର.
ଆଉ ତମେ ବାଳକୁମାରୀ କେତେଥର ଆସିଛ?
ଭାଇ ଥରେ ଆସିଛି ଅଧାରୁ ଫେରିକି ଯାଇଛି.
ଆଉ ଏଇ ଡିଏସ୍ଏଲ୍ଆର୍ ବହୁତ ବଢ଼ିଆ ଦେଖାଉଛି.
ଆଜ୍ଞା.
ଡିଏସ୍ଏଲ୍ଆର୍ ମୋର ଗୋଟେ ଫଟୋ ଉଠେଇଛି. ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ସେ ଡିଏସ୍ଏଲ୍ଆର୍ ଗୋଟେ ବଢ଼ିଆ ଫଟୋ ଉଠାଉଛନ୍ତି ମୋର ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ ଆପଣମାନେ. ଆରେ ଉଠିଲା ନାହିଁ ହଉ ଚାଲ ଆମର ଗ୍ରୁପ୍ ଫଟୋ ନେବା ଏବଂ ବିଲାସ ଆରେ ତମମାନଙ୍କ ରହିଗଲ.
The best part about this Balakumari trip is the journey to the Balakumari. So while you go from the ground part to the hilltop, the road will be really thick, and while you go you can see the different scenery variety of this nature. You can see the clouds and different hills. So that is the best part of this whole trip. So while coming, you try to avoid bringing the scooty. You can bring your bike to this Balakumari trip.
ବର୍ଷା ହାଲିଗଲା କ'ଣ?
ବହୁତ
ତମେ ହାଲିଗଲା ଗୀତା ହାଲିଗଲା କ'ଣ?
ଭାଇ ଫ୍ରେଶ.
ଆରେ କ'ଣ କହିକି ଯାଅ
କଣ
କ'ଣ କହିକି ଯାଅ?
ମେକାନିକାଲ ଭେଣ୍ଟିଲେସନ ଦରକାର.
ଆରେ ହାଲିଗଲା କ'ଣ?
ବଢିଆ ଜାଗାଟା ହେଇଛି ଭାଇ.
ହାଲିଗଲା
ଆପଣ ବହୁତ ଏନର୍ଜି ମାନିବାକୁ ପଡ଼ିବ. ଭାଇ
ଆରେ ବାକି ପିଲାଙ୍କ ପଛରେ ଗଲା କ'ଣ?
ପାଣିଟେ ମଗା.
ମଗନ ମଗା
ପଛ ଯାଇ
କୋଲ୍ଡ ଡ୍ରିଙ୍କସ୍ ମଗେଇଦେ ରେ. ଏ ତମ ଜୀବନ ନାଁ ବଦନାମ କରିଦେଲ ରେ. 3 ଘଣ୍ଟା ଜିମ୍ କରୁଛୁ ନା ଆଉ 3 ଘଣ୍ଟା ଜିମ୍ କରୁଛୁ ନା ହଁ ଆଦର ସବୁ ଲାଷ୍ଟ ଗଲେ
ନା ମତେ କିଛି କହୁନି।
ନା ଲାଷ୍ଟ କି ଅଛି ଆଉ ଲାଷ୍ଟ ମୋତେ ଲାଗୁଛି କି ନା
So at the ground part, you have to park your vehicle, and after parking the vehicle, you have to climb some stairs. After that, there's a shop at the hilltop where you can get different types of drinks, and you can have it, and you can relax there. So
ଭାଜି ହେଇଛି ନା ନେବରା କଞ୍ଚା କଞ୍ଚା ଦେଖାଉଛି ଭାଜି ହେଇଛି ତ
Denim jeans, broken dreams in my pocket. Golden thing round my neck like a locket. Carve your name in my mind, 'cause you caught it. You caught it. You're golden, golden. Honestly, you know it. Me under the street light at the end, so I could show you. You're golden, golden. Honestly, you're glowing. Me under the mezzanine, just so that I could show you. You're golden. Yeah, you're golden. You're golden.
to Ma Balakumari temple, and we have brought this lamp for Ma Balakumari, and this whole area you can see the beautiful area of this Balakumari place. How beautiful it is looking at the evening time, and the evening Arati is now going to start in like some time. We are all gathering here. You can see we have brought some of this laddu from this beautiful temple, and we are going to have this laddu. Let's see how the laddus are going to be. And the others you can see. You can see our others. He has got some sort of mad, I guess. So we'll be having a darshan of Ma Balakumari at this field. So this is the main spot of this area, Balakumari. You can see the background, how beautiful the background is. So in the evening time, most of the visitors from Berhampur, they come here, and we all from MKCG, we have come here to visit this Balakumari temple. And this whole spot is the, like the ground place of this Balakumari area. And just some of our friends, you can see all of them. I'll just take you to Pritish first. Pritish, how is the place?
Nice, very nice.
Abhisha, what is the place?
Beautiful place.
Beautiful place. Awesome place. Cool in the lap of nature.
Varsha, how is the place?
Very beautiful.
So this is one of the, I don't know, but they are doing some sort of stunt. But it's not a good thing. So there is a very high chance of falling. After that, they all will going to that trauma center of
ट्रमा सेंटर भी किसी नहीं हमर जिया पड़ी पड़ी रेफर करी सेमाने कटक
others. तो कौन तो डेव चाहूँ जी?
कटक उनी पठे सेमाने
So you can see there are the roads, how beautiful it is looking from the hilltop. It's like a curve, like a snake, I can tell you.
If you fall from here, you will go to heaven.
So we came from that ground area, that very the area we took the photograph, and after crossing this whole road, we came here. You can see all these hills, how beautiful the hills are looking. With clouds everywhere, you can see all the clouds. Just the thing is that it's not raining. Today it's not raining, or else it would be a very good view.
It will rain. There is a high chance it will rain.
Humid.
बड़ा सुन कौन सी हाँ अभी कौन सी कौन सा ना कौन फोटो राजस्थान में जगह अच्छी ना नहीं
अच्छी भाई अच्छी
हाँ ऐसे मतलब राजस्थान में ऐसे जगह हाँ नहीं हो
नहीं राजस्थान
को तुम लोग ओडिशा राजस्थान जगह अच्छी ना नहीं हो
राजस्थान में नथियो खाली मोर कोठी अछि
तुम्हारा अच्छी ना नहीं कौन कौन सा
माउंट आबू
माउंट आबू इतना बड़ा है इससे छोटा है
नहीं बड़ा है इससे बड़ा है
इससे बड़ा है
माउंट आबू जाइए
मतलब एवरेस्ट से छोटा है एवरेस्ट से बड़ा है
एवरेस्ट से छोटा ही जुड़ी ये अछि बड़ा कमेंट हमर ब्रह्मकुमारी ब्रह्मकुमारी माउंट आबू रे
सेठी को टॉप रहता हूं तुम जाइछ ना मतलब
हां आइछु बाप पल्स रे
Great day. We enjoyed the day. It was like a winter season like this. So the time is like a summer and the winter season. So it is above the hilltop. It is really cool. So you can see the whole area. So there are many people have come because of COVID lockdown. There are some sorts of restrictions. You have to use the mask here. So we enjoyed the day, and this is Saturday and Sunday. We used to get the holiday in these 2 days only. And from Monday onwards, we will having the 24-hour casualty, which will be very hectic for all of us.
So we got a very good refreshment in this journey of our medical science. So we enjoyed a day with all of our juniors and my batchmates and also our first year. It was a great day and a great day with all of them. So it was a really great day. Bye bye. So hello, finally the journey to this Balakumari temple is now complete and we are going to now our own college, that is Barampur, and we'll having a dinner in that our college. We're having a dinner. Barsa is giving the treat for her birthday. She is giving the treat today. So we're having the dinner treat from Barsa. At MKC you will see the video of the dinner. So it's the last time we will be showing all of you. This is Pritish, who was our photographer for today. This is the two Gyanos. Both are here.
बढ़िया लगला भाई, अभिनय से बेस्ट.
Barsa, how was the trip?
Very nice. Awesome भाई बढ़िया थिला.
Awesome bhai.
Awesome, bhai.
Thank you for your presence. I thank you for coming with us.
Bhai, thank you for coming with us.
Let me know. You could have let me down, slow it up, but you broke me on the phone.
journey.
You a letter, would I have a chance?
चलो डर लगा तुझे फिर.
Would you read my letter if I had it sent? If I wrote you a letter now, would I have a chance? If I wrote
So the best part of this Balakumari is while you come from the hilltop to the ground part, while the scenery beside you will be exciting. You'll be seeing the movements will be very great. But the only bad point is the journey downward. It is very slopey downward. So there is very high chance of getting accidents. So you have to be very careful while you come below.
अरे भाई कोड़ी बुला राजा बोल दिलो. भाई प्रीतिश तू एडी रहउछु.
भल शांतिमान पीसफुल जगह साउंड फाउंड किसी ना
पीजी 3-4 जण रहले.
कि रोज पीजी कि हो
भाई अपन चैनल शुरू कर दियो.
हाँ चलछि बरा कोन तुम भवानी को कहयो को
कोन कहयो भाई.
आज केमते लागु तुम आसी
बहुत खुशी भाई.
काहे
कोड भाई पहिला कोड
आउट कि नुआ असला भाग्यश्वर की बिनी भाग्यश्वर को कोन लागु तुम
ଭଲ ଲାଗୁଛି ଭାଇ.
हां
ଭଲ ଲାଗୁଛି.
काहे भल लागु कारण टा को भल लागे
ସମସ୍ତେ ମିଶି ଗୋଟେ ଏନ୍ଜୟ କରୁଛୁ.
एडा जगह ना बुढ़ा बुढ़ा राजा ना कोन जगह ना बुढ़ा राजा ना
ବୁଢା ରାଜା ଜାଗା.
बुढ़ी माने बुढ़ा राजा बुढ़ी.
आ कोन के लागु तुम
सेकी में धरी दमु.
कहि जाबे
बहुत भल लागे.
ये तमे कोन कहबो को
କ'ଣ କହିବି ଭାଇ? ଆଇ ଏମ୍ ହାପି.
अबडा कोन को को
हां भाई एन्जॉय करिया. चाट देखन.
देखो
ଏଇଟା କୋଉ ଜାଗା?
ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ you can see our group photo from the iPhone 13 Pro no 13 Pro Max.
ଭାଇ ଭାଇ 30 ରିଲିଜ ବି ହେଇନି ଭାଇ.
बढ़िया था.
बुढ़ा राजा मुंगली मार्केट को मार्केट
ए कोन बिले कोन कहबो को कोन हम के लागु को प्रीतिश भाई ना कोन कहबो को प्रीतिश भाई को से के लागु को अभिषेक तुम को तुम को लागु को
प्रीतिश भाई गोटे रॉयल लाइफ बंचु.
आदर्श हम के लागु
किछ कहयार नै.
आदर्श के लिए लागिला जाको धरि के लागल कि
ओ होला एती कोइ म इनसाइड द रॉयल मैंशन ऑफ डॉक्टर प्रीतिश कुमार बेहरा भाई. इट्स ऑसम.
रॉयल हेरिट कोन कोन
अमेरिकन टॉन
तापर दूर देखो
सलाड
कोन
रायता
राइट है अदर डाली ने कोन एटा कोन
भेज बिरयानी
एटा हां वेज बिरयानी को कोन कोन कहतो तुम बुझबल
एटा पनीर बटर मसला
वाह ओडी एक्सीलेंट है
So our the celebration of Harsha's birthday has now ended. Celebration of Department of Medicine Unit number 1 has ended. We have had a great day at that first Balakumari. We went to Balakumari temple with the hilltop and we saw different hills and mountains and different clouds. After that we came to Balapur city to British house, the residence of British, Dr. British, and we had a great dinner and at last we all were going. It was a great day with Department of Medicine Unit number 1. So bye bye and take care and please like the video. Bye bye.